स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्।
मैं अपने आप को बहुत भाग्यशाली समझता हूँ कि हमारा जन्म ऐसे समय में हुआ जब इस संसार में युग प्रवर्तक महर्षि स्वामी दयानंद सरस्वती ने जन्म लिया। उन्होंने संसार को जो उस वक़्त रूढ़िवाद में अंधेरे में फंसा हुआ था उसको वहाँ से निकाला। बच्चों की शिक्षा, स्त्री विवाह, गायत्री मंत्र का पढ़ना पढ़ाना और जो दूसरी बुराइयां संसार में थीं उनको दूर करने का इस संसार को रास्ता बताया और आर्य समाज की नींव रखी। ऐसे महापुरुषों के इस संसार पर आने को और इस संसार में इतना बड़ा कार्य कर जाने को तभी हम सार्थक कर सकते हैं यदि हम उनके जन्म स्थान, उनके शिक्षा स्थान, उनके कार्य स्थानों को उसी प्रकार कायम रखें, उनको बढ़ाएं, उनमें लोगों की रुचि बढ़ाएं। मैं अपनी ओर से और मैं समझता हूँ आर्य जगत की ओर से श्री रामनाथ जी सहगल और अजय सहगल का हम भार नहीं उतार सकते, जिन्होंने इतना बड़ा काम अपने सिर पर लेकर टनकारा छोटे से स्थान को, छोटी सी नगरी को एक बिल्कुल नया रूप देने की चेष्टा की और नया रूप दे लिया। वहाँ जो विद्याएं चल रही थीं, विद्या स्थान चल रहे थे, उनको नया रूप दिया, नई संस्थाएं बनाई। जाके देखने वाली जगह है जहाँ महर्षि स्वामी दयानंद जी का जन्म हुआ था, उस स्थल को इतना सुंदर बना दिया है। मैं सारे आर्य जगत से प्रार्थना करता हूँ, प्रेरणा करता हूँ कि वो हर साल जिन दिनों शिवरात्रि के दिनों में जब स्वामी दयानंद जी को ज्ञान हुआ था, बोध हुआ था, जब वो इतना महान उत्सव वहाँ मनाया जाता है, आप भी वहाँ आएँ, देखें और महर्षि दयानंद के कार्यों को सराहने में आप भी शामिल हों। धन्यवाद।
नार्यमणं पुष्यति नो सखायं केवलाघो भवति केवलादि।
One who eats alone sins. Here all eat together. Acharyas and students eat the same food. The food is vegetarian and simple. This multipurpose school is run in the building provided by the Tankara Trust for the benefit of the children of the town. All the teachers employed here are provided free residential accommodation so that they pay full attention to the students. This accommodation is for younger students. And this is a hostel for senior students. All these hostels are well maintained and equipped with essential amenities. It is equipped with a solar heater to heat water in winters. The Arya Literature Center. All Vedic literature, especially the literature related to Maharishi, can be had from here. Reading room cum library for students has a good collection of Vedic, Sanskrit and Hindi literature. As a result of relentless effort put in by the trustees and Arya Satyanand Munjal, the room where Maharishi was actually born is with the trust today. In the year 2000, this birthplace was formally handed over by Shri Chakkubhai Bhamar to Shri Kesubhai Patel, the then Chief Minister of Gujarat, on behalf of the trust. This magnificent building at Maharishi's birthplace is constructed with the generous contributions from the Arya world. To immortalize the memory of our beloved Maharishi and to inspire the generations, on the ground floor of this building, his life sketch is displayed through these beautiful and lifelike pictures prepared by famous artists. They depict some of the most important incidents from Maharishi's life from birth till the last. On the upper floor, an auditorium is under development. where soon a latest video projection system will be installed to project films and audiovisuals made on Maharishi and Arya Samaj for the benefit of the visitors to Tankara. Women's education and self-sufficiency had a top priority in Maharishi's mind. Following Maharishi's footsteps, the Tankara Trust runs the Shivrajvati Omkarnath Sewing and Knitting Center for the underprivileged women of Tankara. Maharshi fought for the protection of cow all his life. Seeing the cow in pitiable condition, his heart cried out. The Tankara Trust also maintains a Gaushala, the home for the cow. It houses hundreds of cows at any point of time. The milk produced is for the students, teachers and guests of the trust.
सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयः सर्वे भद्राणि
This charitable dispensary is run for the benefit of all.
भवेत्
Tankara Samachar, a monthly edited by Ajay Sehgal, is one of the most creditable news magazines of Arya Samaj, published by Tankara Trust. The trust is doing its best to bring the memorial of Maharishi onto the world map, so that all Indians as well as Arya Samajis can be proud of it. This newly built magnificent Dayanand Gate was inaugurated by Arya Brijmohan Munjal during the Maharshi Bodhotsav 2003. It has given Memorial and Tankara Trust a new identity.